magaan, although bako-bako, what's important is yung my shades, right?
We are still on our Supremo Air 5K action camera, and as you may have seen on the quick preview, may improvement naman yung ating audio quality. And that is because of this external mic that we bought from Lazada. Very straightforward itong item na to, naka-plastic lang yan, walang kung ano-anong kasama, as in yan lang. Mahaba-haba naman yung cable niya. Even if sa handlebar pa nga nakamount, abot na abot pa din pag ikakabit na sa shirt. Niro-roll ko pa nga. Type-C naman siya since Type-C din yung port ni Supremo. Yun nga lang, kailangan mo munang i-turn on si Supremo bago mo ito isalpak. Bago mo naman i-turn off ang camera, dapat na-disconnect mo na din ito. Actually guys, according to the title and description of the post, pang OSEC action camera siya. Malinaw naman yan sa post ni seller. Nag-take lang talaga tayo ng risk. At eto nga, sumakses naman tayo kasi gumagana naman siya sa ating Supremo Air 5K action camera.
Ayan guys, we are approaching elevated U-turn dito sa C5. So obviously maingay dito, makalansing, noisy, wind noises, engine noises, busina, you name it. So ayan, nakatawid na tayo sa elevated U-turn at we are approaching itong madilim na part. So notice no guys, yung voice ko ngayon is actually just normal. Hindi pa natin nilalakasan. Oops, may incoming. Okay guys, so madilim dito sa part na to, maingay, engine noise, everything else. Ayan. So I'm not sure how you are able to capture or how this mic is able to capture ang ating audio. So ayan ang hangin talaga, obviously. You are capturing it right. Whoops. Alright, so we got in. And yes, ayan, maugong pa rin ang hangin dito. If I used my built-in mic, internal mic, malamang maririnig nyo ngayon guys, puro na lang hangin, wind noises. Ayan, so we'll see kung kamusta naman ang audio quality nito, ang pag-capture ng audio. And kung maganda, that's very very nice kasi you have to imagine this is less than 500 pesos, okay? So again, ayaw na natin gumastos ng anywhere between 500 to 1,000, okay? Ayaw na natin yung ganyang mga gastos. Why? For practical reasons, of course. Otherwise, ang binili na lang sana natin yung mas mahal na action cam. Alright, so testingin natin itong ating external mic. Again, nabili natin to sa online shopping platform. for less than 500 pesos only. Okay, so right now sa ganitong takbo, malakas ang salubong ng hangin. That means if built-in mic ang ating gamit, puro na to swoosh swoosh or yung ugong ng hangin. But of course, we are now using an external mic and hopefully maayos ang dating ng ating audio. Okay, good morning sa ating mga audience dyan, sa ating mga subscribers, even dun sa ating hindi mga subscribers. So chill lang tayo sa daan. This is a very good morning, okay? So we should always state our intentions, ano? So dapat hindi tayo unpredictable. So signal as necessary. Ayan, signal your intention, and then pagka nagawa na yung intention na yon, syempre i-turn off na natin ang ating signal light para hindi mag-create ng confusion sa ibang rider. So usually sa ating nasa likodan. Okay, so guys, pasensya na kayo sa kung ano-ano mga pinagsasabi ko dito, ano. Well, basically we are just testing the audio quality of our newly bought external mic. Okay, so ayun, anything lang under the sun. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo ba yung daan? Ang clear. Alright, so ang sarap magbike. So syempre lagi nating isipin safety, right? Dito lang tayo mag-hataw-hataw. Syempre kung hindi naman kailangan maghataw-hataw, di wag na, right? Pero kung we deem it relatively safe, as long as maganda ang ating anticipation of events, right? Maganda ang ating basa ng sitwasyon, then go. Basta dun lang tayo sa safe. Okay. Yan, pagbigyan natin sila, boss. Okay guys, good morning. I hope you are having a fabulous Saturday morning. And on Saturday, of course, weekend, sarap mag-ride. And of course, syempre unahin natin ang ating mga duties and responsibilities first para haya-haya ang ating pag-ride. And wala tayong iniintindi na kung ano-ano at the back of our mind. So yan, maganda mag-ride kapag peaceful lang. Okay, and of course, magra-ride tayo is yung chill ride lang, right? Ayan, again, ito na naman, testing lang naman tayo ng ating external mic. Still early in the morning, okay? So, we're hoping na hindi masyadong mabigat ang daloy ng trapiko. Very nice, no? Definitely malilim, yung mga shades because of the trees, and of course because of this because of itong rock, ano na to, nasa gilid. Okay guys, so ito yung binili natin sa isang online shopping platform, no? Nakalimutan ko na kasi, kaya hindi ko na mabanggit muna para accurate naman tayo. So ngayon, malakas ang ugong ng hangin pasalubong. Pababa kasi tayo. So I hope okay naman ang reception. So ayan, bibilisan pa natin ng konti. Okay. Ayan. So grabe talaga, no? In actual, ito guys ay maingay talaga. So I'm not sure kung ano maging kakalabasan nitong video natin, kung I mean video of course, pero sa part ng audio, yun ang focus natin ngayon. Yan, alog-alog. Actually guys, akala ko tahimik. Well, tama naman, tahimik. kasi walang masyadong dumadaan, pero yung hangin na sumasalubong sa atin malakas, maingay siya guys. So kamusta naman ang reception? So ano man, yan na yung todo, yan na yung quality ng ating video, or I mean audio. Quality ngayon, so walang pasok kung kagaya ng ating nagtatrabaho. Right. So ayun, meron tayong konting ride, konti lang naman, konting ride. Okay, ayun, nandito tayo sa kahabaan ng Ortigas. Hindi naman masyadong traffic kasi nga holiday, pero this is a busy road ngayon, not so busy. So kaya kita nyo maluwag. Alright, sarap na namang mag ride. Okay, so ayan, at least maganda ang ating rides. And hopefully walang maging aberya, kasi yun ang pinakamagandang rides, yung safe lakad. So ayan ang gamit natin ngayon. Of course, we are still testing itong external mic na nabili natin. And ang setting natin ngayon, naka full face tayo. Although yung full face, I would say hindi siya ideal in conjunction. Emergency. Okay, so itong full face na suot natin, I think hindi siya ideal in terms of using in conjunction with this external mic, kasi masyadong masikip, and yung mismong mic or yung lapel is parang wala na siyang paglalagyan right sa loob. So ang setup natin is nasa labas lang ng mismong helmet, o yung tipong nakadikit lang sa t-shirt, right? Nakakapit lang siya sa t-shirt. Okay, so sa ganitong setup, I think it's quite obvious, no, na since kulob ang helmet, so ang nangyayari is nababawasan yung boses. Okay, so merong decrease, which in turn humihina yung audio capture. So we're still hoping na although mahina, malinaw naman. Okay, so we'll see later pagka download natin ng video clip. Alright guys, so again, although clear ang ating kalsada and we are expecting na tahimik, no? In reality, medyo may kaingayan siya in terms of yung wind noise. Okay, mga hangin yan na sumasalubong sa atin. So definitely hindi siya ganun katahimik. Okay, so ayan, pwesto tayo dito sa safe zone. So again guys, yung mga sinasabi ko dito, mga wala lang to, it's just for testing the output quality of the microphone. Okay, so huwag mo masyadong intindihin, you just have to listen how is the volume, how is the quality, right? So ayan, so ang ganda naman dito, no? Yan ang maganda pag may mga trees talaga, no? May mga shades kahit pa paano. So aside from na-absorb nyo yung init ng araw, is nagiging ano pa siya, nagiging shade. Okay, so now we're using an external microphone, which is yun nga yung test natin. So hopefully nagkaroon tayo ng improvement sa audio para makita nyo lang how it goes. Alright, naka-go yung stoplight, which means normally kakabol, pero we're not gonna do that guys. Yes, dito tayo sa safe lang. Alright, yun, bigayan lang. Alright, so sa ating mga papa-motorista sa daan, ano, na marunong magbigay, okay, so we are thankful na ganyan ang ating nakakasabayan, no? Versus dun sa mga, of course, sa mga hindi marunong magbigay. And in turn naman, if tayo naman ang may chance na makapagbigay ng maayos, ng safe, hindi ka naman kasi talaga hindi ka dapat magbigay kung it's gonna be unsafe for you, okay? So talagang nauna yung safe, okay? So bibigay tayo if we deem it safe on our end. So yan, ganyan lang guys. So wag yung masyadong aggressive, lalo na ngayon nauuso ang road rage. Okay, so it starts with ourselves. Alright, oops, medyo minor. Okay, pagpagdagan natin dito yan nakared kasi siya naman ang nasa unahan or siya ang nauna. At yung espasyo niya hindi na natin sisimitan, but then hindi pala siya kakanan. So tayo ang kakanan dyan. Alright, so ngayon clear tayo. Yan ang mga galawang safe guys. Tapos busina, baka mamaya may nakatagong bata or tao sa mga hindi natin nakikita sa likod ng sasakyan, ganyan, para safe off. Meron ditong daanan, expect natin meron something. Alright, so ayan, ganyan lang guys, safe driving habit. Okay, oops, may overtake pa kung natin. Right, signal, boom, mag-change ng lane. Yan, para predictable tayo, okay? Right now, that's we're experimenting on. So nilagay natin siya sa handlebar, but with an external mic, which means dapat may magkaroon ng improvement, ano? At least konting improvement man lang sa ating audio quality, right? So what we're trying to avoid is that yung uga-uga, yung vibration na sounds or noise dito sa ating video. Okay, so hopefully it turns out as what we expected, ano? Okay, but if not, well, at least that's what we're going to tell you naman. Okay, so obviously we are going to be transparent with you guys as always. So ayan, maaga-aga pa on a Sunday morning, and hopefully walang maging problema. Sarap mag-bike guys, exercise. Ang ganda ng ating POV, hopefully kita nyo, ayan. Sarap mag-ride, sarap mag two wheels, no? Whether bike or motorcycle. Of course, kanya-kanyang pros and cons. Maganda ang bike, exercise. Maganda ang motor, probably. So, ayun nga, kanya-kanyang pros and cons. Depends on your preference. But whatever you do, just enjoy, right? No need to hate, no need to stereotype, right? So, ayan. What a peaceful Sunday morning. Okay, bike, e-bike, motorcycle, you know, pare-pareho naman tayong magkakapatid sa daan. So why don't we just get along very well, you know? Lalo ngayon nauuso ang road rage. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kahabaan ng C5. I hope you are also having a very good Saturday morning. Ayan, testing tayo ng ating mic. This time, ang setup natin is nakamount yung action camera sa handlebar. And usually, maririnig natin yung ingay nito in terms of vibration and tsaka yung engine noise. Okay, maraming takatak yan, no? Kumbaga parang medyo mahihinang takatak. Sunod-sunod yon since naka-mount siya sa ating handlebar. But this time we hope na malesen yung vibration sound o kung ano mga sound yon. Medyo matarik pala dito guys, so talagang ingat, no? Kung pwede mong ilakad mo na lang, right? Wala naman ditong competition, walang first prize
sa makakarating ng mabilis sa baba, right? Kasi ang issue dito guys is yung daan madulas. Ayan oh, kagaya nyan, pag binitawan ko tong brake, dadaos-dos tayo. So what we're doing is we are just gliding down, right? So sementado naman tong part na to. Problem is yung ano na tinatawag, yung mga dahon-dahon. To yung dahon, malilit na bato, that renders the road unsafe, lalo sa mga two wheels, kasi madudulas ka dyan. So ayan no, so dapat talaga alalay lang. Okay, so guys, tatahimik muna ako ha, kasi ang ganda na agad ng naririnig natin, huni ng ibon, mga ibon na yan, which is we rarely hear, no, sa city.